Okay guys, so in order to link your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5, the first thing you're going to do is to launch your Exness app and click on details button. So from here you're going to tap on the settings button, the settings over here. So the settings button, then scroll down to where they've written platform, trading platform. So what you're going to do over here is to copy the server, this exact one. Copy the server by tapping on the icon next to it. So just like that, we've copied it. So we are going to come back and launch our MetaTrader 5 and add it over there. We are going to add. So we'll paste the link over here. It's going to search, so that's it over here, Exness Technologies Limited. We are going to tap that one. So it's asking for login password. Yes, the login and the password. So we are going to come back to the Exness app and copy the login as well. Copy the login as well. So I'm going to copy it once again, then move to the MetaTrader 5 and paste it over here. And now the password of your Exness account, you are going to enter it where the password is provided. So you are going to enter the password real quick. So after entering the password, that is it. Then click on login. Okay, so just like that, we've successfully linked our Exness account to our MetaTrader 5 as is shown here. So thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, do also subscribe to the Benny Gray channel. Thank you. Bye bye.